The Kingston Central Police has intensified its operation targeting the possession of offensive weapons following the fatal stabbing of 50-year-old Katherine Wallace along Love Lane in the division yesterday. The incident has again highlighted the need for help to address conflict resolution.
This CCTV footage showing the moments leading up to the stabbing incident, which claimed the life of Katherine Wallace, has sparked outrage among Jamaicans. It shows Miss Wallace and Navarre Dakers in a dispute, and then the unthinkable happens. It's reported that sometime after 5 Wednesday evening, an argument developed over a cup of ice, during which Wallace doused Dakers with alcohol. Dakers retaliated by using a knife to inflict several stab wounds to Miss Wallace's upper body.
She was assisted to the hospital where she succumbed to her injuries.
The police were alerted and launched a manhunt for Dakers. Commanding officer for the Kingston Central Police Division, Superintendent Miska Forbes, says sometime after 11 Wednesday night, the suspect, still armed with a knife, was intercepted by the Kingston Central Police on Hanover Street.
During this encounter, he attacked the officers with the same weapon and failed to comply with their instructions to drop the knife. The officers discharged their service weapon in the direction of the now deceased, and he was shot and injured, taken to the hospital where he succumbed.
The incident has again triggered renewed concerns about interpersonal conflicts across the island, as well as incidents involving knives and other offensive weapons in the Kingston Central Police Division.
In response, the division has intensified Operation Blade, a zero-tolerance initiative targeting the possession and use of offensive weapons. We will continue this operation alongside our community engagement efforts in partnership with key stakeholders aimed at promoting conflict resolution and discouraging violence.